Yeah. I'm back again for another video, guys. Today is Sunday, so I decided to make a video about this app that I was using for 2 weeks back. So, guys, I wanted to make this video for you guys. So today I finally made the video for you so that you can see this amazing app, guys. So before we get into it, please guys, like to my video and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any of my video every time when I upload. So guys, please smash that like button and that notification bell, guys, so you won't miss everything that I'm gonna talk about on this video. I want the bag, funny money, na me spin and beat. Funny bill shop, 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 funny bill shop. So guys, basically what is Field Agent? Field Agent, guys, is an app that allows you to make money by completing submissions that they give you on the app. So guys, the missions are not that difficult to complete, so easy, like A, B, C, D. What you need to do, guys, is just go to the app. So I will leave the link on my description for the app. You can go and download the app, guys. So know that, guys, on this app, guys, when you register, I will left my code there, so that on the description, so that when you register using the code, you will get your bonus of 25%, guys. So it's very important to use that code, guys, on the description and the link, so that you will get your bonus when you're registering. So guys, one thing that I need you to know, so guys, you need to be patient for the app, guys. But if you really know what you're doing, guys, you can make this 500 rand a day on this app, guys. It's so easy, it's not that difficult. You can make around 500 or even 600 rand per day, guys, if you are going to be patient for the app, or you're going to put in the work. You can make that money, guys. It's not that difficult, guys, making money in South Africa. There are a lot of apps, guys. So if you are staying at Joburg or Gauteng, this is an advantage, guys. If you're staying there, you will have a lot of missions per day, guys. You will have a lot of missions per day. So if you're staying there, comment down and say that I'm from Joburg, or you're from Gauteng, KwaZulu-Natal. You have more missions there, guys. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you comment and like, and tell me what is your experience about the app. Down. Are you going to take action, or you're not going to take action? Remember, the link will be on my description, and there is a code there that you will need to use, so that you will have this bonus, guys. You get a bonus and I get a bonus. So it's very important, guys, for you to use the link on the description to register. Guys, I thank you again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, see you on the next video. Yeah.